Hello everyone, today we will be performing a linear static analysis of a bicycle crank using Ansys Mechanical, and we will model our simulation inside the software. We will extract the useful results and then validate them against some theoretical calculation. Bicycle crank is. It is basically this lever arm has no, but a bicycling the pedal to the sprocket chain assembly, and as the rider presses their feet on the pedal, this crank revolves and causes the rotation of this sprocket wheel, which in turn rotates the rear wheel of the bicycle. So, about the introduction, that's a little bit about myself. I am Ans Ahmad, a mechanical engineer from Pakistan. Currently, I hold a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from National University of Sciences and Technology, and I am an FEA expert, which utilizes Ansys products for the simulation. And an overview about today's workshop. So, we will perform a static structural analysis of a bicycle crank, and we will perform what's called a linear static analysis. Just like any other FEA simulation, we will go through the three major steps of pre-processing, solution, and post-processing. A little more on these when we come to the modeling section. Then, using the results, we will see if our design of crank is acceptable and will be safe during the operating conditions. And finally, we will perform some verification steps on our simulation and validate the results against hand calculations as well to ensure that our simulation results are reliable and accurate.